Friction Stir Welding, FSW, is a solid-state joining process that is widely used in the manufacturing industry. It is a technique that involves the use of a rotating tool to join two metal pieces together without melting them. The tool is inserted between the two pieces of metal and is rotated at high speeds, generating heat and friction. The heat generated softens the metal, making it easier to join the two pieces together. The process is highly efficient and produces high-quality welds that are strong and durable. FSW is commonly used in the aerospace, automotive, and shipbuilding industries, where high strength and lightweight materials are required. It is also used in the manufacturing of heat exchangers, pressure vessels, and other components that require high-quality welds. FSW has several advantages over traditional welding techniques, including reduced distortion, improved mechanical properties, and lower production costs. One of the leading companies in the manufacturing industry that offers FSW services is Berkness Company. Berkness Company is a full-service manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom metal products. The company has a team of highly skilled engineers and technicians who are experienced in using FSW to produce high-quality welds. Berkness Company has invested heavily in state-of-the-art equipment and technology to ensure that their FSW services are of the highest quality. The company's FSW machines are capable of welding a wide range of materials, including aluminum, titanium, and stainless steel. They also have the expertise to design and manufacture custom FSW tools to meet the specific needs of their clients. If you are looking for a reliable and experienced FSW service provider, Berkness Company is the right choice. The company has a proven track record of delivering high-quality FSW services to clients in various industries. They are committed to providing their clients with the best possible service and are always willing to go the extra mile to ensure customer satisfaction. To learn more about Berkness Company's FSW services, visit their Contact Us page on the site, https://berknesscompany.com/contact/. You can also reach out to their team of experts to discuss your specific needs and requirements. With their expertise and state-of-the-art equipment, Berkness Company is the ideal partner for all your FSW needs. FAQs. 1. What is friction stir welding, FSW, and how does it work in manufacturing? FSW is a solid-state welding process that uses a non-consumable tool to join two metal pieces together. The tool rotates and moves along the joint line, generating frictional heat that softens the metal and allows it to be joined without melting. The process is commonly used in the aerospace, automotive, and shipbuilding industries to join aluminum, magnesium, and other high-strength alloys. 2. What are the advantages of using FSW over traditional welding methods? FSW offers several advantages over traditional welding methods, including a stronger and more uniform joint, reduced distortion and residual stress, and improved fatigue and corrosion resistance. It also produces less fumes and spatter, making it a safer and cleaner process. Additionally, FSW can be used to join dissimilar metals that are difficult to weld using traditional methods. 3. What are the limitations of FSW and when is it not suitable for manufacturing? FSW has some limitations, including the need for specialized equipment and skilled operators, which can make it more expensive than traditional welding methods. It is also not suitable for welding thick or complex geometries, as the tool may not be able to reach all areas of the joint. Additionally, FSW may not be suitable for certain materials, such as those with low melting points or those that are prone to cracking. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.